What's up, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Optics Podcast. And finally, we have some UP MVP action. Pero bago yon, pag-usapan muna natin very quickly lang no, yung
Yes.
mga latest developments. Among our fighting Maroons, both current and foreign, no. First of all, sa Taiwan, we had our residency boys play as part of the Guangming College Flying Dragons, no. And we also had our UPWBT play in the tournament. Now, yung UPWBT, they came away winless but with a lot of lessons learned. I believe si Luna Ozar wasn't part of the team because she was training with Gilas, no? And
Mm.
then as for
Yes.
our residency boys, I think maganda yung performance nila. Napanood nyo
Uh,
ba, guys, yung performance nila? What do you think? Si Mark parang may idea about how our residency boys played eh.
Yeah, I mean, a good experience for them, no? Parang who would have thought now, obviously, while some of our other boys are in Serbia, competitively, no, we have our residency boys in Taiwan naman with the Guangming team, 'di ba?
and
Also
seven.
playing
Mm.
at seven also quite
Yeah.
competitively, no?
Yeah.
So we might not have gotten, for example, the results probably in the end that we would want, making to the finals or being able to get some clinch some good wins. We did have some good wins also. I mean, great, alam mo yun, great showing for VJ Pre, for example, Rainier Maga as well. They were all playing well, and even si James Payosing actually. So
Actually.
it was a glimpse of what we are going to be expecting for the succeeding season, 'di ba? Post Maroon 5, and it looks really bright and well, 'di ba? Even Seven was showing some glimpses of obviously of his of the things that he was able to develop in
Yes,
the
may side
last
quest si Seven.
yeah.
Side quest.
So good job. And also for the women's basketball team, good exposure. So
Mm.
great opportunity for them to be able to play internationally. I'm sure they got a lot of things that they wanted to
Yeah.
learn and see for competing with teams that they haven't played before. So this will just go ahead and add up to possibly preparing for their season. This is 88.
Yes.
Eh,
Is this ba yung yung unang exposure nila internationally sa tong basketball team natin?
Basketball team, I think
I
so.
think
I
so,
think
no?
so.
yes,
I think
yes.
yes.
Oh, so good for
Mm-mm.
them, no? Uh, at
Yeah.
least ngayon na-expose na sila sa
Yeah.
outside competition, and nakapag-train na rin sila with those.
Yeah. And good
Hopefully
also
they have the
overall for women's sport.
hopefully they have the same opportunities as our men's basketball team, no, when it comes to
Yeah.
international trainings, kasi it will really do
Mm.
them good. Yan.
Yeah.
Totoo. Maganda yung eventually as the support trickles no from our men's basketball team sa ibang sports natin, including the women's basketball team. They will eventually reap the benefit of having regular trips abroad. Speaking of abroad, actually, we have some of our former Gilas players, former UP Fighting Maroons players, I'm sorry, playing abroad. I think si Javi Gomez de Leano will be playing sa Jones Cup rin, no, like Luna.
Ah,
As part
Yeah.
of, yeah, tama di ba?
yeah.
Strong group.
Yeah, and it starts
Yes.
tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, tomorrow na
Starts
pala.
tomorrow.
Kasabay niya yung yung isa ring game natin bukas.
Yeah.
Same
So
time
habang
ba?
nanonood,
I think gabi or not. Hang on, di ko alam
same day
yun.
na lang din.
Oh, same
Pagkasunod
day.
sila,
Same day.
Same day, definitely.
Anyway, yan, we'll definitely be watching that.
And si Xavier Lucero, di ba? Tama ba, ano, guys? Si Xavier Lucero was considered to be part of
Mm-mm.
the Gilas pool.
Oo,
Yes.
yeah.
Gilas Pool.
Along
Mm-mm.
with Renza Bando, RJ
Along with Renzo ba?
Labarrientos. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh.
Although yung ano yata, with respect to the citizenship situation,
Yes.
Zave's not yet considered by FIBA as a natural born player, no. So right now he's still in the same status as Jordan
Kid.
Clarkson.
Yeah.
But I think with given more time playing in the PBA, he might just get the exception, no? Yung the same exception that was given to guys like Greg Slaughter at saka si Malonzo
10 years,
eventually.
10 years ang ano niya. Kailangan 10 years residency ata.
Yung Gilas
Parang
Camp pala, mag-umpisa na. Yung sa Asian
parang
Cup,
five.
mag-umpisa na sa conclusion ng PBA season natin, 49. Tapos mag-end by July 27. So, medyo ano rin sila. Malapit na rin.
Oh.
Okay.
Speaking of the PBA, actually, Carl had some thoughts about the PBA. May Jamo, I believe you shared this with us kanina, no, before we
Yeah.
started the podcast. Carl had a few thoughts about the PBA. Ano yung sabi ni Carl?
I mean sabi niya ano parang he'd be happy to end his career sa PBA someday.
Oh.
So it's possible na ano.
Fallback
Yeah.
option na lang.
Oo.
Yeah,
Ano ba yun?
someday. Totoo.
Kasi nag-start
Well-
agad siya sa labas di ba?
Pero
Totoo.
you know,
Kasi
I mean,
usually, di ba, ang careers, local ka muna, tapos saka kalalabas siya. Nag-start
Sabalik
agad siya sa labas sa career niya. Parang ano niya, reverse exodus yung kanyang ano.
well, hindi,
Kanya-
I mean, at the end of the day, it's still yung the league na ano na nakasanayan niyang panoorin na kahit tayo nakasanayan panoorin since bata pa. So, parang naging pangarap na rin ng marami yan na many hoopers na makapaglaro sa PBA.
Yeah.
Actually,
Totoo.
maganda yung quote niya eh. Ito saan man ako mapunta, I'll be happy and honored mapunta sa PBA. Parang gusto pa rin niya talaga meron
Of
siyang
course.
attachment sa Philippines na natin basketball.
Tsaka hirap mag-OFW
Malungkot yun
Mhm.
Totoo. Alam na
Kasi
alam ni
nakita niya,
Dennis
di ba,
yan.
nanonood ng PBA, yung Game 7 ng PBA Season 49. Nanonood siya yung semifinals ng Barangay Ginebra in San Miguel. Kaya parang doon naungkat na, doon siya na-interview na gusto niya yung kanyang career din ay meron magkaroon siya sa PBA.
Totoo. I mean, even if going toward the latter years of his career, even if he'd still probably be good enough to play abroad, iba pa rin yung naglalaro ka sa sa bayan mo eh. I mean, imagine all of the things he's had to give up just to play in Korea, 'di ba? Yun na nga lang going to Manila kasi taga Cebu talaga si Carl.
Oo nga.
That in itself is a sacrifice. And then nag Korea pa siya. So at some point he'd want to go home and play in front of the home crowd. That's why those were his thoughts about the PBA, no. Another set of former Maroons thinking about going to the PBA. We also have Javi and Juan, no. I think Juan is Juan still with his KBL team? Parang hindi na, no. So I
Hindi
think
na.
there's
Pero
a strong chance that
na-float
he might
lang
be
din
joining
yung
the draft.
idea na of him entering the draft. Pero weird, no? Ilan taon na sila? 26 and 24 ata.
Mid-20. Yeah, mid-20s.
Tapos kailangan pang mag-enter ng draft. Parang are they too old for the draft na?
Strange
ewan ko.
PBA rule.
Yun yung rules ng no? Ng
Wala
PBA. Weird.
But anyway,
sa NBA considered ka na free agent ka na kapag
consider
20
pag ganun.
ganong age ka na Ayun.
Totoo. But in any case, no, whatever route our former Maroons plan to take, we wish them well. We wish them the best of luck in their careers, no. Even si Kobe, he's back in the lab, no. He's been spotted with training with Jolo Tamayo.
Yeah, True Focus.
The same trainer. Yeah, True Focus, no. Same trainer as Raylan and Brix Ramos. So whatever are the plans that Kobe has, no, baka mamaya nagpapakondisyon lang or trip niya lang, no. We also wish him well in his future endeavors. So now we go to our very, very interesting and possibly divisive topic for today. The UP Fighting Maroons played two very testy games after returning from Serbia in the Phil Oil Eco Oil preseason cup. No, just last Wednesday they played against the Adamson Falcons, where they won 63-54 in a really ugly game. No, it was played according to the way the Falcons wanted it to go. The Falcons fell short, but UP didn't look like they just trained in Serbia and learned from European basketball. What are your thoughts, guys? Sige, Mark.
Hi! um, bukas yung laban natin versus Lasal, di ba? Bukas. Oh,
Yes.
Yeah.
Miles, lalabas ba tong episode na to tonight? Ganon. Because I
Yeah.
don't want to cause any type of heartburn or, early disappointment to sa mga mothers, sa mga titos and titas. After seeing the last two games na meron tayo, Adamson, and yung sa CSB, sama na natin yan, i-bundle na natin lahat yan, di ba? It's a collective effort, collective experience.
Yeah.
For everybody na hindi nyo pa na-experience, manganak, bukas, pag manonood kayo ng live, yun, preview yun. Kung paano manganak. I have a feeling. Kanya na mangyayari.
So, ano bang natin, notable stats? Ang notable sa akin
Notable
yung 3-point shooting natin 9%.
Yeah.
So, I mean, for a team that's known to be the one of the highest percentage sa 3 points this preseason, this is uncharacteristic. Parang natira tayo ng law of averages ng malala.
Up close ng points nila sa against CSB, di ba? 80-80.
Ano pa tayo?
Ka pa ng 73.
ADU pa yung kausap, yung natin kausap talaga, yung pinag-usapan natin. So, ayun.
And wala pa si Baby Boy Manzano nung kalaban natin sila. So, kumbaga, at a disadvantage pa sila. Yes, we didn't have Noy when we also play Adamson, but we should have been more organized, I would say. Kahit papaano. We should have we didn't look like a team, for example, that has been playing together for quite some time. Maybe we are.
We didn't look like a championship team at that point.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Siguro yan rin na si Gani. Siya yung player of the game.
What's good is though si Gani was our top scorer.
Play of the game natin
points.
Siya. Tapos meron siyang 2 assists and 8 rebounds.
Yeah, 14-8-2. Definitely not a bad game for Gani, he's actually been playing well even before the Serbia trip, so parang siya pa yung lumalabas, even heading into the game after this, the quarterfinals against CSP. Si Gani yung pinaka-consistent player natin. Surprisingly, I think hot take, he's been even more consistent than the Maroon 5 players, Talagang Gani has shown renewed confidence in his game and it shows. Talagang masipag siya rebound. 4 offensive rebounds in the game against Adamson, which is a huge number. 4 offensive rebounds. Malaking bagay yun kasi mahirap umagaw ng offensive rebounds.
Saka yun sa di ba? Yung sa Pinoy Liga, before siya nag-exit doon, ilang games din siya yung player of the game.
Yes, he's had a couple, I think, players of the game citations. So, really, really good showing from Gani Stevens inside. And we're just hoping na it translates against guys like Osang and Mike Phillips.
Yung mga nagsasabing butaw daw si Gani. Tangina. Yung ba butaw?
Do you think Do you think he would have posted the same numbers kung nandun si Manzano?
Hmm.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, I think so. And sige, this is going into the next game na, pero I'll explain why. Well, at least sa akin, he was able to put up a double-double against Allen Liwag and Sean Umali. Yung front line na CSB, no. So I think
Kaya.
kaya. It will be
Allen
harder,
Liwag yun.
pero kaya. Kaya ni Gani yun.
Pero tomorrow kaya.
That is the question.
That's the question.
Mm-hmm.
Pero si...
But of course, for our sake, we hope he does.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And dapat may tumulong.
Dapat may tumulong.
Pero ayun, ang key stats no ang maganda sa nangyari sa game natin versus Adamson, we out-rebounded them, we out-assisted them 17-10. Ang dami rin natin steals, which is our bread and butter talaga.
Totoo.
Points from turnovers, 26-10. Fast break points. Kitang-kita doon tayo talaga kumukuha ng natin ng puntos despite yung abysmal na 3-point shooting natin at 9%. And ayun, lastly yung bench points. Sino ba bench nun? Yeah, I mean, sino yung starters natin nun? Hindi ko nasimulan kasi.
Alarcon, Felisilda, Abadiano struggled. He scored 0 points for this game. But nakabawi siya.
Fouled out din eh.
Pag-usapan natin yun.
0 points tapos gumraduate pa.
Yeah, fouled out of the game.
Oh.
Belmonte wasn't present in this game, no. I think ang naglaro at the 4 spot in this game was mostly Iniguez. Iniguez and LA and Jess actually was there. Sinoruka also played. Kaya lang Sinoruka sacks lang performance, 7 points, 9 rebounds. So but he was played sparingly, to be fair to him. He only played 9 minutes. So
okay.
Silver lining sa game na to, ito hot take, considering na tama ba guys na tingin natin nag-struggle yung UP rito? Agree naman, no?
Oo, I mean Adamson yan eh. That's their style.
Totoo. Ang hot take ko lang dito is in counterpoint to that, or I guess silver lining. Halata nagbalasa talaga si coach dito kasi si Noruka 9 minutes lang. Baba, Harold Alarcon 15 minutes lang. It's like 1.5 quarter. So medyo ayoko gamitin yung salitang partida, pero more of hindi naman all out si coach. So I guess not yet reason to press the panic button, at least for this game.
Yeah. I wouldn't.
Any other thoughts on the UP versus Adamson game before we move to the quarterfinals?
Go, quarterfinals.
Speaking of the quarterfinals, ayan, sige.
Ay, teka, sa ano pala?
Ayan.
Si Fortea pa rin sa 3 points. Oh, di ba? Laki ng percentage sa 33%.
That's not his usual numbers. But that's not his usual numbers.
Oo nga eh. Pero
he's shooting lights out sa ibang games eh. Uncharacteristic din for Terrence.
Yung 33% na yan yung 9% natin for the entire game. Entire team.
Yeah.
Relative to the rest of the team, maganda yung shooting ni Terrence. Yun ang Yun ang story of that game. On the
How
flip side,
ever?
on the flip side, would you say na before we head into the CSB game, would you say na this was actually a character win for UP na we were able to come out with the win kahit sobrang pangit na shooting natin.
We need those
Kasi
kinds of games.
we need this yun, exactly.
Yes.
Ayan.
Absolutely
Pero
need
nakakapagod siya
those.
ha. Nakakapagod siya.
Totoo.
Yeah.
Nakakapagod lang talaga.
Sa puso.
Totoo. Sa puso.
Yeah. Kasi kailangan din nila mag-double time on defense din talaga. Kasi
Ayan
as
din.
we are not shooting well, you really need to make sure to clamp the opponent down. Really,
Yeah.
alam mo yun. Kasi if we're also scoring or kunya malaki din yung laman, hayaan lang din nila, for example, wala natin masyadong yung rebound. Talagang bababa na tayo dun sa side ng court natin to make our own play na next. But
Actually, Mark, yan yung parang nangyari sa atin versus Lasal di ba, nung eliminations ng Philoil na we were shooting so well, so parang winawalwal din nila yung defense against Cortez and Baclaan
Mm-mm.
Kasi ang init ng players natin nun
Actually, nga.
hopefully,
Combined 200 points
Totoo.
in a collegiate game.
In a collegiate game. Pre-season game at that.
Yeah. That's NBA numbers.
3 points niya, 100% too. Pero batiin muna natin siya ng happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Ilan?
Yeah.
Sige. Now, let's go to the UP versus CSB game, no? This one was also scary for us. We won 82-80. We were actually in the lead for a substantial portion of the game, no? Talagang na-close lang ng CSB yung gap heading into the final seconds, which was, at least in my opinion, kind of our fault kasi para nagpabaya talaga yung players. No? There was a considerable slip in the performance of the players heading into the end game, no? But despite that, it's still a quality win kasi we need more close games para din tumibay yung nerves ng players natin. No? Mahirap yung nasasanay ka sa tambak. But considering that this is an FSA-less team, no? We should probably have
The upper
been
hand,
getting
yeah.
a more comfortable win against them. Sige, ano yung thoughts mo, Jamo?
May thoughts ako dyan. If Coach Charles was coaching the team, baka natalo tayo. Hot take.
Why would you say?
Busy
Sure.
lang,
Sure.
iba yung ano niya eh. I mean, iba yung tactics niya eh.
Oo, at saka, may argument pa. There's an argument that CSB lost that game. May ganong pang argument. There are 2 plays yata in the end na hindi lang pumasok din. Pati yung press sa huli, hindi lang din pumasok. Pumasok yung sarado tayo, di ba?
Actually, binabanggit mo lang may golden opportunity daw sila. Yung which is true kasi in games, for example, alam mo yun, if you let your opponent, give the opponent the chance and they take it, diba, it's gonna spell the loss for us also. So yes, alam mo yun, I agree, alam mo yun, character win, sige, pwede, pero bibigyan mo yung chance yung opponent na manalo. Parang yun ba yung gusto natin in every time and every game? Kasi
why are you playing with your food?
Diba, tawag kasi natin, diba, yung mga cards up games ng UP.
And in this game, yet again, umabot pa to the last minute of the first quarter bago tayo naka-catch up sa kalaban. Sobra tayong tinambakan at the beginning. So, it was something that we saw nung versus LaSalle the first time, nung versus UST, both of which we won. And tama, alam mo, we could have easily lost this game also, di ba? Parang another lesson na naman kumagkataon for us. So, we are not pressing the panic button as of the moment. It's still the preseason and whatsoever. But, I mean, coming from Serbia, I don't know, parang yung shooting percentages natin dito, how was it? Yung free throws natin?
It was abysmally low, no? Kung 9% against Adamson, dumoble naman 18%. But 18% is still abysmally low, no? Hindi man lang siya umabot ng 20%, which is in the lower range of 3-point shooting ng mga college teams sa Pilipinas.
Wait,
18%
18
is
ba?
still very
28. 4 of 14.
8 free throws yung 28%.
Okay.
Which is
3
also
points.
bad, by
Okay.
the way.
Ang baba pa rin.
Which is
Yeah.
yun, mababa pa rin. Going into our free throw percentage, pareho, sobrang parang may lead sa ring natin na di mo maintindihan. Yung 3-point shooting, pwede mong i-chalk up to law of averages. Pero yung 28% from the free throw line,
Yeah.
that's a bad look. I think it's a bad look.
Really
what do you
bad,
think,
bro.
guys?
Yeah, I mean, come on. It's the easiest shot you can take in a game. Why are you shooting
Totoo.
4 out of 14? I mean, I
Tapos
shoot better than
pre-season
that.
ito. Totoo.
Napagod.
Low stakes game to eh.
Oo.
Yeah.
Nakita ko dito sa stats, sa mga key stats. Total rebounds nila, na-out-rebound nila tayo, 50-46. Pero
Ang FSA yung CS.
Pero yung second chance points nila mas lamang tayo at 14-13. So what does that say sa sinwerte tayo?
Totoo.
Okay. Na out rebound nila tayo pero they fumbled on their second chance points, 'di ba?
And not to complicate a little bit, 'di ba? Parang na-out-rebound nila tayo. Do you think LaSalle would out-rebound us? Yes. Do you
Yes.
think they'll fumble on their second chance points? No.
No.
So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
so
Interesting.
tomorrow, alam mo yon, humble na lang tayo bukas. Charot. Yeah, I mean, mahaba pa naman ang preseason. We still have a lot of time, obviously. Alam naman natin, especially kung heading towards the game tomorrow, especially for LaSalle, ayaw matalo ng mga boys natin. And something about the matchups, the marquee matchups, bring out something with the boys, di ba? Baka naman, tinatago lang.
Yeah.
Tinatago lang natin kahapon, di ba? Sana, di ba?
Para wag maubos daw.
I mean, we
Oo.
don't have
Sana nga lang-
nag-DNP yung key players natin eh.
May mga key players na di naglaro.
Sana nga lang madali nila hanapin di ba? Baka naman sa sobrang tagal na nilang tinago, baka bukas, di ba? Hindi na nila rin mahanap. Di ba?
Galaw-galaw din ang baso.
Bakit si Sean
Tama
wala
naman
ng game nila? Absent. Nung game na yun. Nakasulat
Wala
sa
rin si
DM.
Mig. Hindi, malamang nandun siya, baka hindi lang pinalaro.
Oo,
Yung
di
mga
lang pinalaro.
DNP na nandyan, ibig sabihin
Si
nandun
Nathan.
sila, nakasuta, pero hindi pinasok. Kasi
Yun.
wala si Migs, wala si Noy Pag tinap mo sa stat sheet, wala talaga sila.
Yeah.
So yun yung
DNP di na present or DNP
Di na
di na pinalaro.
Hindi pinasok. Hindi na pinasok.
Kaya
Si Sean yung hindi na
pinasok.
pinasok. Si Sean yung di na pinasok.
Oo.
Tapos
Yeah.
si Inigas at saka si Remogat yung di na present.
So
Who
DNP
knows,
pa rin
di ba?
sila.
Baka in the last week or so, or even in Serbia, what they've been doing is that they're just preserving themselves enough to win. Kasi ang totoong game plan na inaayos nila is para bukas.
Ooh.
Ah.
Interesting. But plausible.
Conspiracy. Yung papasok na lang ni Harold yung free throw ng ganyan. Ay, hindi ko ipapasok. Baka ma-scout ako eh. Charot.
Pati yung free throw.
Free throw? Bakit ba? Nakikialam
Free throw.
kayo.
Scout mo.
Ay, hindi. Gusto ko natin padikitin para magkaroon sila ng confidence na, di ba? Hindi sila masyado mag-practice kasi kaya-kaya naman natin. Kaya. Alam mo yun.
Laruin natin sa psychology nila.
Si LA mas mahaba yung exposure niya bukas kasi dito ang baba 2 minutes lang siya. 2.4.
Because
Mas mahaba yung playing time niya.
Katulad na sinabi ni Jam, I think in the last 2 games, parang nag-experiment pa rin yata si
Yeah.
Coach Gold or
Sa mga playing time ng mga players natin.
Tingnan mo si Chico, 7 minutes.
Totoo.
Ganyan. So, we'll see, di ba? Tomorrow will be a test for the coaching staff as well, di ba? Parang, of the recent performance of the last few players, totoo ba yung mga performance na yun? Baka naman tinatago. Tingnan natin kung sino ipapasok. Diba?
Boko
I'll be
naman.
very curious kung sino yung first 5 bukas kung magkataon.
Yeah.
Noy
Very
hasn't
curious.
seen competitive gameplay for the last 2 games. So, siya ba ang starting point natin? And even si Janjan in this last game in CSB, look at his minutes. Hindi
Oh,
siya yung
yeah.
second, siya yung primary point guard. It might have been
Yeah.
Terence.
They actually went to Abadiano and Terence a lot nga for this
Terence,
game.
diba? So,
Si
gulatan,
Gani.
bukas. Oo.
Si Gani yung kanyang points, medyo din na-recognize na iba. Kasi nga meron siyang 12 points, tapos meron siyang 10 rebounds, double-double pa, para maano yung defense ng UP. Kaya lang, sana mas mahaba pa rin yung kanyang bukas exposure.
Yeah, as
We
usual
will
si
see,
Gani yung consistent dito, no?
Oo.
Kamusta si Francis Nuruka dun sa stats?
Ano
He had a
siya?
better game
Ruka.
than the previous one. Kasi 11.7 rebounds na siya for this game.
Yeah.
Shooting at a 62% clip, which is actually not bad. Considering 18 minutes lang siya naglaro. Again, hindi man lang siya umabot ng 20 minutes. Ang talagang binabad nila for this game are the ones na missing, whether figuratively or literally sa last game, no? Belmonte had 21 minutes. Alarcon had double the time that he spent in the previous game.
Mhm.
Abadiano
Yeah.
talagang binigyan ni coach ng chance bumawi.
29
He played for 29 minutes and had 24 points. Player of the game si Jerry. Si Cap Jerry, no? So, bawing-bawi
So,
yung Adamson
So
game.
maybe it is preservation. Maybe
Yeah.
they are
Plausible
preser-
talaga yung preservation theory.
Malay mo. I mean, kaya naglaro si
Malay
Mark para ano lang eh. Kasi 'di ba he's been missing the past few games then.
Yeah, totoo.
Oo.
Even before Serbia,
Para
nag-DNP
just to shake off the rust.
the rust. Yeah. So
Ayun.
curious.
Pangat
Anything
natin.
pa in addition to the CSP game bago tayo mag-preview bukas?
Siguro just to wrap up our thoughts on the CSB game, no. Yes, we could have lost this game. But we won. We still won, no. And that's to the credit of our players. They built themselves a comfortable lead heading into the mid fourth quarter. Gani Stevens, I think, scored around 5 to 7 points in that crucial stretch of the game. So there's a lot of confidence built among our main players, no. Si Jerry was able to score a lot of points in this game. And he also got a lot of reps playing the point guard position, which might be crucial heading into the next game. So
Oops.
any other thoughts on the game? Or we can talk about Lasal na.
Good sa ako?
Sige ah.
Lasal na.
Doon na tayo, lasal na tayo. Oo, habang hindi pa tayo, habang wala pang result.
Yeah.
Hopefully, yung mga ngiti natin na to, hindi to borado tomorrow.
Ano namang ngiti pa rin tayo bukas, sir.
Yeah, ngiti pa rin naman tayo. So, heading into the next game, well, at least, I'll give some initial thoughts muna. Just to jump off from the points previously stated, no. Maganda yung ginawa ni coach to give Abadiano and Portea point guard minutes, no. They played significantly more than Felicilda and Torres. Precisely because I think especially Abadiano would be a good defensive solution, no, against Baclaan and Cortez.
Mm-mm.
Si Cap Jerry talaga will be very crucial in this game. Based on our last meeting with them, no, yung opensa talaga nila, it seems mas nagge-generate dun sa dalawang gwardiya na yun, no, than Amos and Pablo. Although pinapascore din sina Amos and Pablo, no, dun sa mga games nila nasulipan natin, they get a lot of touches on the post. And si Amos even from the 3-point line, no. Pero most of their offense is just an offshoot nung dalawang point guard na yun creating. So what do you think? How would be fair
Kayo
to vote?
muna. Kayo muna.
Sige.
Baka mausap
Sige.
daw eh.
Ayan.
Jamo,
Wala akong maisip.
thoughts?
Ayun. Naputa,
Grabe.
naghahanga ako, men.
Ala.
Sabi ng body language.
Medyo,
Sige na.
sige, si Mark na lang.
Sige.
Yeah, alam mo yun. Yeah. Lakasan natin ang cheer. Kasi like what, alam mo yun, if there's one thing about the boys at Pinoy, especially the Maroon 5, ayaw nila matalo. So,
Oo.
I'm sure from the last game that we had, obviously that was not the result that they wanted. And everybody obviously visibly was disappointed about that particular loss. It might have carried over. Kaya tayo natalo dun sa UST immediately after, di ba? So, we had that time, I think, to study them. Now that we know obviously how they play and how they are, alam mo yun, they match up with us. So, we've proven in the past, obviously, that we know how to make adjustments. If the last season was proof and evidence of it too, we didn't win in the first two rounds, but we got them in the finals. So this is the chance for us to again make a case for this lineup and for the team, you know. Yun nga lang, hindi naging encouraging a little bit yung results. I mean, syempre, we won still, but yung pinakita nating laro, it doesn't spark any type of confidence, di ba? Kumbaga, leading into this match. But we'll see. A few points, hindi dapat sila lumamang ng malaki, katulad na nangyari sa CSB, especially on the first quarter. We should be on point at the very beginning already. And alam mo yun, I don't know if in the last games that we had, may gameplay tayo, hindi lang na-execute na maayos o hindi lang siya yung tamang game plan, na kontrapelo tayo or whatsoever. But for this game, it's crucial that we do not get them leading that much. Alam mo, at the beginning, dapat kung dikit man, dikitin talaga natin ang todo-todo. Huwag gigil as much as possible. Marami tayong points last time na, alam mo yun, hindi pumasok ni Luwa dahil gigil tayo ng konti. But then, alam mo yun, trust the system. That's the only thing that we can and pray to God na alam mo yun, magpakita ang shooting natin, 'di ba? Parang my God.
Hindi pa naman bukas. Idaan sa simba.
Come on, it's the playoffs. Play fucking playoff basketball, please.
And to the audience, the fans, lahat na ng swerte, dali na magdala na kayo ng pastil. Kanina kausap ko yung sa isang space yata, yung media club also. Sabi ko sa kanila, kung may mga friends kayong kasama per quarter, pag lamang pa rin yung kalaban, magtingin na kayo kasi panahon na para mag-vote out ng isa. Tapos pag on the second quarter, lamang pa rin, another vote out, 'di ba? Parang PBB lang. Sino ang malas sa atin?
Nomination night.
Lumabas na muna. Magpalit-palit kayo ng upuan or whatsoever, gawin na natin. We will need all the luck that we would need also, based out of form. And to be honest, alam mo, LaSalle has been on form for quite some time. We're hoping nagpipick na sila ngayon. Diba?
So anyway, I'm just looking at this as LaSalle peaking too early and us hindi pa ganon. Yun lang.
Sana ganun nga.
Yeah.
Sana ganun na nga.
Oo.
Totoo.
Pero,
and I think we're due for a bounce back rin. Kasi 2 straight games na tayo nagsa-struggle eh. If there's anything that we can take away from last year, no, nung second round, naalala nyo nung second round natalo tayo sa NU in that really sobrang forgettable. Gusto ko nang burayin sa memories ko na laro at the UST Quadricentennial Pavilion.
wala si Q nun eh.
Natin
No?
to bounce back. Nawala rin si Q nun, totoo. So, yun din, may missing pieces din tayo from our core in the games against CSB and Adamson. So, And also just the tenacity, yung
Mm.
if there's anything we can count on, especially from our Maroon 5, yun na nga katulad ng sinabi ni Mark, they hate to lose. They have a penchant for bouncing back. Jerry
Yeah.
Abadiano na lang, 'di ba? After laying an egg against Adamson, biglang player of the game against CSB.
Yeah.
So we can expect similar efforts from our vets.
Speaking of NU,
Yeah.
sila yung isang game din bukas, yung earlier na 2 o'clock
Oo, no?
Yeah,
semifinals
something to watch out
versus
for.
UST. Kaya nga di ba sinasabi nila, ang Phil Oil game na to, parang naging UAAP na ngayon kasi nga yung Final Four, lahat UAAP teams, yung UP, Lasal,
Is this a
NU,
preview of what's to come in season 88?
mukha. Tingnan natin.
Oo.
Di natin masabi, di nag-participate yung Ateneo eh.
Ateneo eh.
Absent eh.
Well, you need to show up. You need to show up at least to win, right?
Yeah.
Totoo. Wala kayong participation points. I'm so sorry.
Sorry. Default.
And there's this
Zero.
one thing, and hopefully, wag naman masyadong, wala naman masyadong violence bukas. Yung mga
Oo.
maangas. Wag naman masyadong maangas.
Ilayo ang mga monoblock.
Oo.
Basketball lang.
Oo.
Totoo. So, para mag-include ng swerte, wag muna tayo maghahawak ng kung anumang green bukas. Wag kumain ng gulay. Wag mag-go sa green light. Hintayin natin mag-yellow, saka yung mag-go ng sasakyan, di ba? Wag muna.
Red meat only.
Iwasan.
Saka yung maroon bukas, magaluan ng green. Ayun, susuotin ng t-shirt. Pure maroon susuotin bukas.
Maroon lang.
Ayan o, parang may green. Ito.
Yeah, so tingin bukas yung season 85 shirt. Walang bibitaw.
Yun. Yun na. Kasi yun ang
Totoo.
ano eh.
Yes.
Totoo.
Yung origin
Yes.
story ng walang bibitaw, yung game ni Carl yun against Lasal.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bitaw.
Kaya
Meron din ako
kailangan
yan.
natin yung energy na yun.
I'm wearing this tomorrow.
Sana nandun
Why
si
do
Carl.
we get Why do we put ourselves through these dates no? Para talagang manganganak bukas, I have a feeling. Iire tayo lahat. I have a feeling talaga. Anyway, good luck sa inyo. I would not be in the game, unfortunately. Meron akong date for Superman. Pero I'll be watching intent.
Wow.
So baka may bato ko
Yeah.
yung phone ko. Sana naman hindi.
Mamaya lumabas si Greenman bukas dyan.
Ay.
Oo
Itutulak
nga,
ko yan.
dapat
Naka-green.
naglaban green, dapat lumabas si Greenman. Actually, lumabas siya sa Phil Oil, Hindi ko alam kung sino kalaban nun. Lumabas siya nung sa Phil Oil tayo, lumabas si Greenman nun.
Si ano? Oo nga.
Lumabas siya sa Phil Oil tayo, lumabas si Greenman nun.
Talaga.
Cross na
Kaya
finger
lang
at lang.
green yung color niya. Wag muna.
Oo nga, baka noon siya may. Akala nila kabila.
Sasaksakin ko yung gagawin nating red.
Ay, Greenman, wag ka daw lilita bukas.
Kung nakikinig ka sa Optics Podcast, which I hope you are, please. No, not tomorrow.
Yung mga na-eliminate pala nung puro talagang NCCA schools. Yung
NCAA.
AU,
Yeah.
CSB,
Yeah.
NCAA,
Kasi crossover na yun ng quarters eh.
Oo.
Letran, saka EYAC. Lahat sila na-eliminate.
Lahat sila na-eliminate.
Mm-mm.
But
So,
to be fair, Dennis,
Arellano had a
laro.
chance.
Yeah,
Yesterday.
Arellano had a chance against Lasal.
Come on.
Lumamang sila until the fourth.
Kung may game na papanoorin just for inspo, panoorin yung game
Yun.
na yun.
Totoo.
Pero ang ganda rin sana, kung meron sa top 4 dito, yung dalawang NCAA, tapos dalawang UAP. Na pag nagganon, para mas maganda panoorin.
Andun na sa andun na sa quarters kasi yun eh. And
Yeah.
it just sucks
I
that
think- Yeah. Yeah,
Walang
I think
pumasok.
it's better nga na ganito na sa quarters nag-crossover kasi pwede rin namang apat na NCAA yung pumasok eh.
Oo.
So,
Oo.
mas
It just
malaki yung chances na
happens na it just happens na yung kasi may FSAs ang UAAP eh. So I guess there's that certain edge
Mhm.
between UAAP and NCAA. I mean, aminin na natin, mas at this point in time, mas
Meron
yamado sa
talaga.
talent ang UAAP. Totoo.
yeah.
So,
But at
Consuelo
least
lang
on the last
talaga.
few games, yung last few games, in quarters daw natin showed that it was barely an advantage.
Totoo.
Mm.
And the same was true for the other quarterfinals games.
Yeah.
All of the other for all of the other games were considerably close considering the gap in talent.
Mhm.
So
Yeah,
Mhm.
those to the NCAA teams then.
galing. Galing.
Sige. Any other thoughts before we go? Any shout outs?
Ah, nanalo pala yung women's natin against Ateneo sa RP Basketball League. Sa
Congrats.
ano,
By 1 point.
1 point. Kay
Ayan ang
Pesquera, 14
Ah,
points, 6 rebounds, 2 steals. Player of the
kung
game.
ito 2
No.
points nga lang, dahil natin sinabi, lalo na yung 1 point na yun.
Yeah, nag-bounce back
No.
sila. Bounce back sila from
Cheers.
their loss sa Blia. Bawi naman sila
Yeah.
dito.
Nice. Good win against our neighbors.
Yeah.
Solid win. Any shout outs? Nabati na natin, Happy
Oo.
birthday, Rayland.
Yes,
Raylan,
happy
happy
birthday
birthday.
Rayland. Tapos nung 7 si Nika Celis.
Yes. Happy birthday,
Hindi
Nika.
natin nagawa ng ng graphic pala. Dapat lahat ng dumadaan sa feed natin, pagawa natin ng graphic.
Abol
I-post
natin
natin
yan.
sa
Abol natin.
Siguro isang na lang. Isang graphic for July birthday celebrants.
Ay, yeah. Isang pahabol sa shout out.
Yeah.
And shout out din pala, since it's graduation season, congrats to all of our student athletes na sumablay.
Yes.
Sino ba mga
Yes.
notable na sumablay? I think, si Dennis parang alam mo.
Parang hindi nag-march, di ba? Parang kasi di ba, hindi nag-senior, nag-ano natin si JD sa kasi QMB, pero hindi sila nag-march.
Yeah.
Supposed to be. Tapos, yung, natin, inulan, naman sila, Sablay and Sunflower na naman tayo every year ng ating mga graduates.
Okay.
Ang may magna cum laude sa summa cum laude sa ating sa volleyball male. Meron tayong doon.
May suma? Well, ang dami naman natin suma ngayon, 241. Tama ba?
Pinag-aaralan kung bakit. Pinag-aaralan.
Oo. Suma
magna cum
for
laude
you.
ng
Suma for you.
May magna cum laude tayo sa volleyball. Si Alwin Joshua Tejita.
Congrats.
Congrats.
Congrats na siya.
Padayon.
Yeah. And yan naman ang sinasabi natin sa ating mga varsity players, no? I mean, in the end, we cannot really say, di ba, what our results would be in terms of our sporting career. But you're already in UP, you finish, you get a UP diploma, I can take you places. Di ba? And you can continue din naman on your sporting career.
Rin natin na to. May isang sport tayo na hindi masyado natin natututukan, yung esports. At doon, meron din tayong mga magna cum laude doon.
Wow.
Wow.
Si Felix Bueno.
Yan, kaka-computer mo yan.
Kaka-computer ka. Ang course niya, computer science. Tapos, siya naging magna cum laude sa esports natin. Tapos si Nathan Danak, magna cum laude, applied physics. O ano kayo?
Yeah, kaka-computer mo talaga yan.
Na-teach natin yung mga course.
Totoo.
Wild.
Ang galing nila. Lahat ng esports graduate natin may laude.
Talaga. Very nice.
Kaka-computer niya. Galing.
Panoorin
to
nila.
all of our student athletes, padayon sa inyo, no? And good job on making the most of your time in the university, no? Regardless if upkat ba yan, baas, transferee. Still, everyone has an equal chance once you're in to get to finish your UP education, no? And they finished. So
Mhm.
good job.
Ano lang siguro kasi kasama sila doon sa nag-graduate ng bachelor's degree na 3,876. Ang medyo ano nito, ang dami talaga nung may Latin honors natin. 2,600, so almost 60% yata yan. Nung nag-graduate, may Latin honors, in nga, binanggit ni Jam kanina, 241, summa cum laude,
Laude for you.
1,100, magna
Laude
cum
for you.
laude, 985, cum laude. Parang minority ngayon, yung walang ano, yung walang ah, Latin honors. Dati kasi 'di ba konti lang 'yan.
But,
Ngayon mas marami sila.
graduate is still a graduate. UP graduate is still a UP
Pa rin
graduate.
'yan.
UP
Yan
pa
ang
rin yan.
totoong
Kahit saan.
divisive topic. So, parang yan yung masarap gawa na sariling podcast on its own.
Yeah.
Na sobrang divisive. Mas divisive pa sa pinag-usapan natin ngayon.
Correct.
Magagalit lahat ng tao.
Sabay na natin sa paghahanap ng missing sabongeros.
Ayan, sige.
Oh, siya.
Now, off topic na tayo na sobra. Sige, at dyan nagtatapos ang ating episode for today. Please don't forget to subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aming channel, sa aming podcast. We're also on Spotify. And because we have a crucial game coming up tomorrow against Lasal,
See you at the games!
See you at the
May
games.
pahabol lang pala. Meron pala tayong suma galing sa swimming team. Si Alia Hartbrand. Diba?
Congrats!
Meron din silang magna, si Jose Maria Torres, saka si Jeter Villanueva. So, ang galing din natin swimming team. Hindi lang pantubig, pang ano pa sila, pang medal talaga na academics.
Yeah. Okay.
So, kita-kita po tayo bukas sa ating game. Ay, mamaya na pala yun.
See you guys tomorrow. Later.
Guys.
4
Later.
p.m. Yeah.
Sa
And
Philoy.
who knows, baka may merch soon. So, stay tuned.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yan, sige. At dyan nagtatapos ang ating episode. UP Fight, cheers!
Cheers.
UP fight!
Fight.